Imagine thinking we've seen the best of what tech has to offer, and then Samsung and DJI walk in and flip the script, literally. In a wave of unexpected leaks and game-changing features, these two giants are making sure 2025 becomes the year of foldable phones and ultralight drones. Whether you're a die-hard Samsung fan or a drone enthusiast, there's something in this reveal that's bound to blow your mind. So, let's dive deep into what just got confirmed and what still remains under wraps because you won't want to miss the wild twist both companies are bringing to the table. Starting with Samsung, the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 7 has made an early appearance thanks to a hands-on leak, and it's absolutely stunning. Spotted in a gorgeous gradient blue finish by trusted leaker Jushan, the Fold 7 looks shockingly thin. We're talking almost as slim as a SIM ejector tool. It's unbelievable how much sleeker Samsung has managed to make it compared to the previous generation. But thin isn't the only headline here. Samsung has finally caught up to the competition, not just in form, but in function. The camera layout has been completely overhauled. Gone is the bulky circular bump we saw in the UHS S25 Ultra, replaced with a more elegant, cleaner triple lens design, and under the hood, a powerhouse setup featuring a 200-megapixel main sensor, likely pulled from the Galaxy S25 Ultra, alongside a 3x telephoto and an ultra-wide lens. This makes the Fold 7 Samsung's most capable foldable camera ever, transforming it into a true pocket-sized photography studio. If you're planning to upgrade, don't forget to check out the reservation link in the description. Samsung's throwing in a $50 credit and other perks for early birds. Now, Flip fans, don't feel left out. Samsung is also dropping a budget-friendly Flip 7 Fan Edition, or FA. This version was accidentally leaked by Spigen, and while we don't have the full specs yet, it's expected to cost $100 to $150 less than the standard Flip 7, making it one of the most accessible foldables Samsung has ever offered. But just when we thought the leaks were done, Samsung went and surprised us with the biggest reveal yet. Buried inside the new One UI 8 software code is an animation that confirms something totally unexpected. Samsung's trifold phone is real. Rumored to be called the Galaxy GFold, this futuristic device folds not once, but twice, left and right, creating a G shape when opened. Think of it like a book that opens from both sides. Unlike Huawei's Mate XT, which folds outward, the GFold folds inward and is expected to feature a massive 10-inch plus display, ultra-slim bezels, and a standard front-facing camera, not an under-display one. On the back, another triple camera setup, likely borrowing from the Fold 7's design. It's essentially a tablet, smartphone, and mini display all rolled into one, depending on how you fold it. You might even get a sneak peek of it at Samsung's next Unpacked event. Honestly, this could redefine the entire foldable phone landscape. Shifting gears to DJI, and yes, this part is just as exciting, drone lovers are in for a real treat. A teaser from Moro Tandoy dropped on social media showing a new drone next to a mountain biker, casually labeled Mini 5 Pro work in progress. The teaser was minimal, but the message was clear. DJI's 5th generation ultralight drone is on the horizon. And now, thanks to leaked FCC's certification documents, we have confirmation that the Mini 5 Pro is very real, and it's bringing some serious upgrades. For starters, it's expected to feature a 4,680 mAh battery with 33.5 watt-hours of capacity. A huge step up, pushing potential flight times to 50 or even 55 minutes. Imagine launching your drone, filming a full travel montage, and still having battery left to flex for Instagram to Mini 5. Pro is also rumored to feature a massive 1-inch sensor, a serious upgrade for any drone under 250 grams. This means better dynamic range, sharper images, and killer low-light performance. The camera module is slightly larger and lacks the side flaps found in previous mini drones. It's likely to support a 360-degree rotating gimbal. This gives users far more freedom for cinematic angles and fluid camera motion, especially useful for vloggers, adventurers, or anyone chasing that perfect sweeping mountain shot. It also features a front-facing LiDAR sensor as part of DJI's 3D infrared system, allowing obstacle detection up to 25 meters even in low light. Larger sensor bulges on the drone's body suggest enhanced awareness without limiting gimbal movement. Under the hood, it packs improved motors with visible cooling vents, which is a first for the Mini lineup. This could improve wind resistance. In performance, while staying whisper quiet, DJI is also embracing convenience with quick-release propellers, so you can forget about tiny screws. It remains foldable and lightweight, but now includes 32 gigabytes of built-in storage, perfect for those "oops, I forgot my SD card" moments. Battery-wise, the standard cell is expected to offer around 45 minutes of airtime, with extended plus batteries possibly crossing the 50-minute mark. And as for range, DJI's O for transmission gives the Mini 5 Pro a 20-kilometer reach. That's drone dominance. It will likely be compatible with the RC2 controller, RCN3 motion controller, and even DJI goggles 3-4 FPV enthusiasts. We might even get voice command features and in-app audio recording, straight from DJI's newer smart controller systems. You could literally say "start recording," and boom, hands-free drone footage like never before. Now, here's the timeline. According to trusted sources like Jasper Ellens, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is launching in September 2025, with the base package expected around $850. And the full Flymore combo, complete with RC2 screen controller, reaching about $1,200, that places it comfortably between the Mini 4 Pro and Air 3S. But with some massive new advantages. If DJI really nails the 360 gimbal and on-inch sensor at this weight class, we're potentially looking at the best sub-250G drone in history. So what do you think? Would you rather fold your way into the future with Samsung's GFold 7, or take flight with the Mini 5 Pro's next-gen performance? Let me know in the comments. Your thoughts always spark the best conversations here. If this breakdown helped or hyped you up, hit that like button and subscribe for more weekly deep dives on the hottest tech drops. And if you're craving more, check out the videos on your screen right now, including our exclusive Galaxy S25 Ultra camera breakdown and DJI Mini 4 Pro versus Air 3S showdown. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and keep chasing the future.